This is the first time we are hosting Weld Wars. We're asking local high schools who have welding programs to be a part of our event. We want them to go head to head, and we want them to be able to showcase their talent, filled with competitions, food. We want to put demos together and expose the next generation of welders to where they'll have an understanding of what they can do after they finish school.
Our opportunity would be to showcase high schoolers here in San Antonio and surrounding areas and give them an opportunity to utilize Weld Wars and what they've learned in high school to transition into help them build out their careers. Weld Wars is going to hold a couple of different events of different categories: stick welding, MIG welding. There'll be a cut competition as well. Our objective is to focus on what they're learning in high school right now, to showcase not only themselves but their instructors, to get them ready for expectation of what they'd see out in the field.
We are very excited to host this event because we are looking to build more partnerships with different high schools. We want to highlight those students. We want to make sure that we get those students to the right career path.
We are giving $500 to participating high schools. We will have trophies, side competitions, some fun little prizes. Let's get our next generation welding. If you're not burning, you ain't learning. Come see us April 12th here at South Texas Votech.
High schools, if you have a welding program, now is your time to showcase your school. We cannot wait to see what your students have got. Show us what you got at STVT.